Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Mailerlite. This integration is incredibly useful because it automatically sends your form submissions directly to your Mailerlite email lists, saving you from manually entering contact information and helping you build your email marketing campaigns effortlessly. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Mailerlite.com. Once you're there, log into your Mailerlite account using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all of Mailerlite's features. Now look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From this menu, click on Integrations. This section houses all the third-party tools and services that Mailerlite can connect with, and it's where we'll generate the necessary credentials for linking Jotform. In the integrations area, you'll notice various options available. Find the one labeled API and click Use beside it. This opens up the API settings, which allow external applications like Jotform to communicate securely with your Mailerlite account. Next, you'll need to create a new access token. Click on Generate New Token to begin this process. A dialog box will appear asking you to input some details. In the token name field, type something descriptive like Jotform integrations so you can easily identify this token's purpose later. Below that, you'll see a checkbox with a statement about understanding the API token requirements set out in the terms of use. Check this box to confirm you've read and understood these requirements. Then click Create a Token. Once the token is generated, it will appear on your screen. This is a unique code that authorizes Jotform to access your Mailerlite account. Go ahead and copy this API token. Make sure you copy it carefully as you'll need it in just a moment. Now it's time to switch over to Jotform. Open your Jotform form in your browser. At the top of the form editor, you'll see several tabs. Click on Settings to access the configuration options for your form. Once you're in the settings area, look to the left side where you'll find additional menu options. Click on Integrations to view all the available third-party services you can connect with Jotform. In the Integrations section, use the search bar to find Mailerlite. Type Mailerlite into the search field, and when it appears in the results, click on it. This will open the Mailerlite integration setup window. Now comes the crucial part. Paste the API key you copied earlier from Mailerlite into the designated field. After pasting it, click Authenticate. This establishes the connection between your Jotform account and Mailerlite, allowing the two platforms to communicate. Once authentication is successful, you'll see options to map your form fields. This is where you match the fields in your Jotform with the corresponding fields in Mailerlite. Select which field from your Jotform should correspond to which field in Mailerlite. For example, you might map your form's email field to Mailerlite's email field. Finally, you'll need to choose which Mailerlite group your form submissions should be sent to. Select the appropriate group from the drop-down menu, then click Save to finalize the integration. And that's it. Your Jotform is now connected to Mailerlite, and every time someone submits your form, their information will automatically be added to your chosen Mailerlite group. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.